How to operate 828 UV60 WPS fully automatic webbing cutting, measuring, winding and strapping machine. 1. Installation of pre-winding machine. This is the major part A and part B of pre-winding machine. Install the part A on part B as shown. This is the fixing screw number 1 of part A. This is the screw number 2. And the screw number 3, tighten all these 3 screws. Insert the blue air tube into connector at bottom of cylinder. And the black air tube into the connector at top of cylinder. Connect the power cords of motors on pre-winding machine. Connect the air source and power supply on the other side of pre-winding machine. Open this door. Pass this motor power cord through the top of the machine and connect it to the motor. The colors of the lines are black, red, blue from left to right. Install the guard of part A. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. And then install the sliding door. Install the sliding door on the other side. 2. Installation of conveyor. This is conveyor. The side with the motor is close to the pre-winding machine. This is the power cord for the conveyor. Pass it under the pre-winding machine. Open the door. Connect the power cord of conveyor by pressing black to black, blue to blue, and red to red. Three. Installation of strapping machine. This is the number 1 strapping machine. Usually, the platforms of the strapping machine and pre-winding machine should be at the same height. But now these heights are different. The height of pre-winding machine platform is 91 centimeters. We must rise the strapping machine The height of footpad is adjustable. Please turn the rubber foot until the height of strapping machine is 91 centimeters and tighten the nut. Adjust the height of other rubber feet. This is the signal wire of number 1 strapping machine. This is the power cord. Pass them under the pre-winding machine. Open the power control box. This is number 1 lock plate mother base. This is number 2 lock plate mother base. Insert the signal wire of the number 1 strapping machine into the number 1 lock plate mother base. Make sure correct connection. Then plug the power cord into an outlet. Any outlet. Close the power control box. Connect to the power supply. Standard AC 220 volts, single-phase electricity. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the switch of number 1 strapping machine. This is the screen of strapping machine. Wait till the temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius. Press the green start button. Pick up the packing strap, check the reel, you should not be able to turn it. We need to move the brake lever. The reel can turn. Pass the packing strap through guiders and insert into the machine. Now the packing strap can move freely. You need to toggle the handle to right to fix the packing strap. Press the green button to start automatic strapping. The machine will stop automatically when strapping is completed. This is the mode selector switch, turn it to the middle. This switch is to adjust the tension of packing strap. We recommend about 30% tension. Press the start button for testing. Note, must put the webbing when test, otherwise the machine maybe get stuck. This is master operation screen. Click the setting key and enter the password to 777777777. Enter the manual operation interface. Press and hold the rotation positive 1 key until the manipulator no longer moves. Move the strapping machine, make the center of strapping machine is at the center of manipulator. And make sure the manipulator not go over the groove of strapping machine. Install number 2 strapping machine in the same way. 4. Threading. Thread the webbing as shown in the video. Five. Parameter setting. Every time turn on the machine, you need to press the reset key. Click here to modify the cutting length. Usually we set the blade temperature was to 350 degrees Celsius. You can adjust temperature according to the actual webbing thickness, as long as the webbing can be cut. Shake here to switch modes between manual and auto, select manual mode. Then press under clamping material 1, conveyor belt 1, under clamping material 2 and conveyor belt 2. Click these 4 keys to activate the winding device and manipulator. Click here to select Auto Mode. Press the Start button, machine will start to measure, cut, wind and strap webbing automatically. If you have any additional question or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.